Okay. Okay. Last time you seem to be a little bit confused from this. So that's why here is the formula actually to detect or to be able to know if a point here or even a point here or a point at anywhere here is actually inside the circle or not. So to be able to do that, they use it. They use this three ways. So if the radius is equal 3, and the distance that you calculate using this is to calculate the d. So this is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Can you imagine that this could be a radar that check if an object is actually within the range or not? So this is a simple calculation or simple distance formula that you can use. So x2 and y2 is actually for the center of the circle. Okay, this is x2 and y2, and any point here. So this is the center of the circle. Any point that we want to check if it is within the range or not, so we call it y1 and y2, and we always have to subtract x1 and y1 from x2 and y2, and then we add them and we do the squaring here. And so this is a fixed distance formula to get a distance from any point to the center of the circle. From this point also to the center. We talked about that before, right?
We've done the formula already.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So the point that we didn't calculate yet, did we calculate this?
We calculated that already, the distance, whether it's true or false, whether it's in the circle or not.
Really? We have done that?
Yeah, we did that. The only thing we have left now is translate and triple the radius.
Okay.
Those are the two public voids that we have left. The is in circle we already did.
Okay, that's excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can see my screen, and okay, so translate this.
Yeah.
This we haven't done, and the triple is the radius we have done. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you know what the mean translate?
No.
This actually is shifting the
like
x.
to move it or shift it?
Yeah, shifting the x and y.
Okay.
So you by this value, you add it to your x, which is the center of your circle, and this value also you add it to the center of the y, which is the center of your circle.
Right. So I can put dx equals to x plus something, and then
yes,
dy
exactly
equals to y plus b. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Integer dx equals to x plus, let's say I do plus 5, and then integer dy equals to y plus 5. Oh, wait. Is that correct?
You can share if you would prefer.
Oh, wait, my circle codes are in my previous code tree. Let me copy
you
and
can
paste
copy,
it into the main. Yeah. Where did I put? Okay, circle.
If you have a colleague that are actually amazed by the code that you have written in the circle, are you able to pass him the code of your circle class?
Technically, I can just copy and send it to my colleague, right?
You can, you can just pass him only the class, right?
Yeah, Only
Just
the
a class file only, yes.
Yeah. Okay, this is what. Oh, it is already defined. Yeah. Okay. So, okay. To call the is in circle, I need to put like C1 dot is in circle, right? Or something
Yes,
like that.
exactly, yes.
Okay. Oh, oh, but it doesn't say true. Oh, it doesn't print anything.
Really?
Yeah, I think I didn't put a print state. Yeah, I didn't put a print statement here. I only put return.
Yes, you only need to put return, and when it returns, you have to put this the
Print
class.
statement when I call it. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay. Put a bracket here. Yeah, okay, it works. Okay, now let me call my translate. Oh, I need to return. No, no, I don't need to return void. I don't need to return.
Where are you now?
I'm trying to do the translate,
Is
but
it hard?
I'm doing something wrong.
Then you
Yeah,
can
I'm doing something wrong.
share it with me then.
Yeah, I'm doing something wrong. I think because the way I wrote it, I should make this dx and make this dy, then make this a separate integer, right?
I still didn't see your screen, so I
Oh,
have
okay.
to, yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. What's your issue now? Oh. Wait. Method translate cannot be applied p.1 translate. Interesting. But first of all, when you are given an input, we don't try to change the input. We try to change the internal variables. What you're trying here to say, add whatever in x, add 5 to
Yeah.
it, and store it in dx. But
Technically, I should be doing it like I should make
opposite.
add dx and add dy, right?
Exactly. Yes.
And then make this another integer, maybe
No, you don't need to do another
no.
integer. It's just x. Where is the
Oh,
x?
okay.
Where is your x and y here? Here.
So I just like that.
Yes. Just yeah. But
Okay.
yes. Yeah. Or you can say
I can just do
x.
plus.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Plus equals. There we go. Like that.
Okay, that's good. Try then.
Okay. But I will still get an error. No? Yeah.
So
I
can
can
we?
see an error because of
Yeah. Can we see
yeah.
where is error? C to
I
translate.
need to put in let's say 5 and 5. I'll still get an error. No, okay. Now just put it in a print statement. No.
Actually, no, you cannot put in a print statement because it's a void. It return void, so it will
Right.
nothing will be.
So I should make it integer.
No, no. Actually, you don't need to even. It's okay as long as you are calling it and it doesn't change anything. Then it's fine. The only thing is that let me see.
You want me to print it? Okay.
We cannot actually print it. Go back to circle.
Yeah. Technically, I can just put print statement in here.
Yes, you can put print statement for now. Yes, or you can put a method that print your x and y.
But I can just do this way.
Just you can even put it also in one line. Just yeah, but also like this is fine also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine, good.
Maybe I'll put like
Triple radius.
that, maybe easy.
You have to put plus.
I forgot about that. Yeah. Okay.
Excellent. Excellent. Okay.
Okay.
How to implement triple?
Yeah, okay. Triple. Okay, what do they want for triple? They just want us to times 3 the radius, right? So
Yes, exactly.
So I just say can I do like there's plus equals. Can I do times equals also?
Yes, you can do that.
So like times equals 3.
Yes.
Then
just be aware that there is nothing called R, so you get an error.
right.
It's called radius. Yes.
Okay. Then now I just need to call it. Okay.
So what was the initial value for R? 2.5?
2.5, yeah.
Okay, so it means that's correct, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you please off the sharing and then let me.
Okay.
So we will talk. We will talk now about also about classes. Did I talk to you about modularity before?
About what?
Modularity. Yes. Did you hear this term before?
No.
So this term means that we write code in smaller and more manageable components or modules. So this is actually one of the benefits of writing classes, because you separate different areas of code. You separate the implementation of the class from calling or using the class, which means that we are also able to share our classes with other people. If you remember, you have mass.power, and you use it. Am I right? Did you use this method before? And
Yeah.
you raise it to the power of 2 or to the power of 3. Am I right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
sqrt, did you use it? I think you did.
Yeah.
This is also a class, actually. Internally, I didn't tell you before, but this is a class that is done for you by the Java programmers. So I just want to tell you that you might end up, instead of rewriting a code, if you see any programmer who have written certain methods or classes that can make your life easier and can make you finish your project faster, so you are able to use it in your code. So you don't care how your friend or your colleague, your other programmer implement this mass.power. You just only want to call it and use it. You call it, you get the result out, you store it, and you use it in your code. Did you care about how this guy implement this power? Did you care about it? You didn't. Okay, so the same goes here. The more classes you're able to learn or use, it make your life easier and faster. You finish your project faster, and that's, in real life, that is a great benefit. Okay.
Yeah.
So okay, now we have to discuss about two things. Certain classes that is actually static. So far, the classes that you have written in your own hand is called non-static classes. Non-static classes and non-static methods. But the one that you use with a mass, actually, this is called static. I will also show you why it's called static. Because when you want to use this mass.power, you didn't use any calling for new. You didn't call new at all. You just use it directly. Am I right?
Yeah.
But in your classes, when you create a class circle, you have to call circle C1 equal new circle. Did you do that? You remember you do that?
Yeah.
So when you use new, it's actually non-static. If you use something like that, which means that you don't call you don't create a variable, you don't create new at all, you just call the name of the class and the method inside the class directly like that, actually is called static. So we use static when we want to group, don't let me go into much details. This is a confusing topic in itself, so let us drive slowly in this.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you have a static method inside your class, you just add the word static. Okay, then it becomes static and you are able to call it in a different way and more easier way. Let me share with you. Okay, now, can you read this code, please?
Okay.
This is a student class. We have seen it before.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you see these two methods?
Yeah.
Okay, one is called print ID, print my ID, right? And this is what?
It's just a welcome message to the student.
Okay. So, but yes, the difference is, yes, both of them return void, both of them return statements, but here we have a static. So if you create maybe 5 variables out of this student class, you create S1, S2, S3 until S5, 5 variables. Each one of them will print a different ID.
Yeah.
But only one method will actually not have 5 copies of it because it's static. So it will always print welcome all students. It's a generic it is a generic method that does not really belong to variables like that. So how we call actually a static method? Have a look here. Let me see. Yeah. Look at the last line of this code. No, not the last line here. Sorry. This one. So we created two variables, S1 and S2. This is the new student. And we passed the ID. And then here we printed the ID for S1 and S2 that will print this one and this one. But look at this.
Yeah. Okay.
Why I didn't use S1 and S2? I use student itself. This is the class name.
Because it doesn't matter which student, all the students will get their welcome message.
Yes, it's true, but it will not work like that unless I put static when I defined the method inside the class. So this is exactly how this mass.power actually is implemented inside its class. Inside, actually, they have a class called mass. And inside this mass class, they will have sqrt method. And they have this power method. And both of them is actually static.
Yeah.
Why? How I know? Because I used to call this sqrt and power using the name of the class, which is called mass. Okay, so the same goes here. So when you have a static method, you call it with the name of the class, not with the variable that you create out of. So this is the variable S1 of type student. I don't use that, I use a student. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now look at here.
Okay. Yeah.
This student dot print my ID actually will get an error because you cannot use the class name. You cannot use the class name to call non-static method. So I would say you have a version of this student class. I think you already write it before.
Yeah.
Do you mind if you please add this method to it?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Did you manage to call?
Yeah, let me call it. Oh, I need to. Yeah.
Okay, I share with you the screen here so you can see how is it called.
I just need to put S1 dot. And put this. So to call it, I need to put like S1 dot print welcome message, right?
You can use the class name. It's student itself. No need to S1 and S2.
Okay.
But I want you to also write this line. Just write this also. So you
Yeah, but if
write
I
this
do
too.
that, I get an error.
Really? Why?
If I do student, it says cannot find symbol student dot welcome. Yeah, symbol variable student location class main error.
Then can you please share with me your implementation?
Yeah.
And I will
Share.
print with, I would print this with you. Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Where is your error?
There, here.
Okay. Can we put please the student as classes is always capital on the first letter?
Oh. Okay.
And if you see also on your left hand side, your class name also is capital. The S is capital.
Oh, I
Yes.
think that's me. No. Oh, because here I didn't put capital.
Not necessarily capital, but you forgot to
No.
put the word static.
Oh. So I need to put static here?
No, not here. In the implementation. Inside the class itself.
Oh, so you need me to put static
Yes,
like
if you
here.
did, yes, if you didn't put static, then it means that you cannot call it without the variable.
Oh. Okay, I see.
You have to put static before the void.
Right. Okay.
Does it work?
Yep.
Okay, can you create a variable S1 of a type student?
Okay. Yeah, so if I just put here equal S1 equals years today. And now I need the ID and name.
You can put an
Yes.
ID or you can put name. It doesn't matter. Or you can put both. It's up to you. Because you
Yeah, so
got
if I
two
put,
constructors. Yeah.
let's say I put 1, 2, 3, then I put as a
Mhm.
yeah, so that should work.
Yes,
No,
except yours.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I made the new. Oh,
They have to be a string, so it needs to be in
yeah.
double quotation.
Double quotation. Oh,
Okay, good. But I want you also to call, to come here, say S1 dot print welcome message.
okay. You would have, yeah.
So this line number 111 works and 107 also works. But just bear in mind, this is
Yeah.
not the best. This is not the best practice. When we have a static
Right.
method, we call it this way. May I know one
Right.
thing, please? Can you call please? We have another variable inside. We have another method that's called go to the student class, please.
Okay.
You see this print student.
Yeah.
Can you please call it using the class name?
That won't work, right?
Yes, it wouldn't work. Yes, true.
Because I need to put in variable. So I need an S1. I need a, yeah.
So, but I want you to read an error only. So this print student cannot be referenced from a static context. So this is the kind of error. It's a non-static method. He's telling you this is non-static, so you cannot call it from using the student name. Is it clear to
Yeah.
you?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah. Okay.
okay, now it works.
Yeah.
I think now we are going to stop here, but I would like to
Okay.
ask you, do we need to go faster a bit than this?
We can. Yeah.
Okay, so you prefer we write less code?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, okay. Then
Yeah.
see you next class.
Okay.
Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Okay. You too. Bye bye.